growing up as a kid, like I was always fascinated by, the Christmas lights and technology. I have a family member that put out tons of lights every year, and it was just exciting to drive around and see. So I had the idea, I was like, why don't I make this just part of the class and have the kids learn sequential programming with it and learn how to network everything together and display their talents for everyone to see.
It started off as a small project where the students decorated the hallways, and it is turned into what you're seeing today, being the entire south face of the entire building.
It's the same software, it's just a lot bigger and it shows to a lot more people. So I think it's a really awesome feeling, honestly, to be part of that.
I feel like I contributed to something. I feel a bit more important to society.
Our community has really jumped behind some of the things we're doing, especially when it comes to computer science. Our computer science teacher, just how he is not afraid to kind of bust through boundaries and let students be students.
We got great teachers to help lead them along the way. They're excited every day with the new challenges that they have.
And Project Lead the Way, doing these projects, it helps build up their confidence, their self-esteem, and as well as their technical skills. And it lets them know, hey, I can do this.
Feels great. I love bringing joy and fun and all this amazing stuff, especially around the holidays. So the ability to do that and showing it to kids all the way to adults is amazing.
When I first entered high school, and I always thought, oh, it's something cool, and to finally be a part of it, it makes me happy because some kid is going to look at it, they're going to think, oh, I want to do that when I grow up. It's a nice feeling.
Once they see it actually go on the building and it worked how they intended it to work, that kind of opens up a pathway, connects the dots in their brain, like, oh, I can create some really cool things with technology, and this is what computer science can allow me to do.
Best part about Project Lead the Way is it teaches the kids that you have a certain way that you think things should work, and then there's the reality of how things work. And then learning from the two and being able to communicate about what happened and what went wrong and what to do next.
For such a small community, we give our kids a lot of opportunities that they can do right here in our school. We have great partners in the community to where they can go out in the community and apply those skills that they learned here.
Computer science is everything right now in the world, so I feel like if I can learn computer science, I can do anything.